we need to configure Unicorn to use Nginx to run Django automatically, but let's try to do that. I'll close this for now. So now I'll close this. Okay, I have not closed all the other servers, I guess. I was pressing Ctrl Z when I had to press Ctrl C, I guess. We'll check that later. Now I am in my project folder, right? Inside environment. Yeah, so now what I need to do, I need to write Unicorn bind 0.0.0.0:8000. All the requests coming to 8000 port project me 24.wsgi web server gateway interface application. I'm not able to start Unicorn. So 8000 port is already been used. That is why the problem arises. Let me check. That port is already in use. How to remove a port that is already in use? It says sudo fuser, so you need to use fuser to remove 8000 port. It has removed. It says, so let me just start. If I will be able to start this port again. Yep. So I'll use Ctrl plus C this time to quit. I can remove the port once again also if it's already. So now I'll write Unicorn. The Unicorn bind 0.0.0.8000 project me 24.wsgi applications. I'll bind Unicorn with 8000. Error, can't connect. WSGI is here, so I need to get inside that. Right, get inside project me 24. So go to cd project me 24 and inside. So I have WSGI here. Go to Unicorn bind 0.0.0.0 and 8000 port column application. Okay, worker failed to boot. I think I'll have to modify my Python path basically. Present working directory. Path this bind path / Unicorn bind the stuff. Name of the project is different. That is project me 24.wsgi.application. Hit enter. Is it stuck or is it running? I don't know. It says listening at this. Well, let me check localhost column 3000. Oh, it's running. Good. So now Unicorn is running, not just using the inbuilt server of Django. I was using it, the inbuilt server, for some time. Now I'm using the Unicorn server, and the Unicorn server works fine, which is cool. I have to get out of this, man. Control C, right? Yep. And deactivate. Fine, I have deactivated the environment. Now we need to configure this Unicorn service. So for that, we'll need to edit some files in Nano. I think I have to get outside also. Let's try from here. Nano. No, can't try. I have to get out. cd/ls. I have etc. Yes, I have etc. So now to edit etc systemd. So we need to write this in order to edit the Unicorn system service. Unicorn.service. So here, this is the settings file. So I'm pasting something. These are the settings, so I'll write this also. So I have description, Unicorn daemon, group working home, not here. This is not the working directory. I'm sorry. Home / sorry about that. Home / what is the working directory? Home / project me 24, right? /project me 24. This is the working directory, right? Home / project me 24, project me environment. Okay, install wanted by multi-user target, right? Yep, this is what I need. Save this now. File name to write, yes, it's okay. Wrote 23 lines. Now get out. So I think that is saved for now. Now we have to enable and start the Unicorn service. So we'll write systemctl command. System. Let close this distraction. Systemctl command. We'll use enable Unicorn. Unicorn. Now we'll use again systemctl command to start Unicorn. So that is started Unicorn server. Now we need to configure Nginx service for the web server. So for that you need to edit the Nginx configuration file. So we'll use nano again, and it is also in etc under the name of nginx/nginx.configuration. So this is the configuration of Nginx. Okay, these are cool. So these are configuration of include process ID, HTTP and stuff like that, login settings, email. So at the end I'll add this the server, right? So I'll add the server settings here at the end. I'll copy all those settings and I'll paste it here. I'll paste all those in the description also. So these are the settings that I've used. Server listening to 80. Server name is 192. This is my default number right now. The LAN, I think I can use my domain name also. The thing is that I will use the server name as projectme24.com. That's not yet propagated, so I'll use this server name for now. I'll change that later. I think that should work for now. As of now, if I come down a little, I have some static location, root, home, pi, proxy header, and other stuff. So this is all. I will save this for now and come out of it, and then we'll check whether there is any error or not in this Nginx configuration. So I'll write Nginx test -t for test. Server director is not allowed here. Okay, I'm sorry for that, but let me check server director. Why don't I just go to this etc Nginx con. See what I'm editing. Okay, I have sites available. Okay, why don't I write it there? That would be more safe, right? Okay, so just delete everything from here, the default configuration. Done. Let me confirm that it is okay. Yeah, it is okay. So rather than editing this configuration file, I'll create a new for sites enabled or sites available. So under Nginx, that was called as sites available /projectme24. Sorry about that. This much is okay. I'll add more stuff now. This okay, location is equal to, this is what I'll share with you. Location static right here, root /home/pi/projectme24 column, and then I'll end this here itself. So this is done. After this, I'll add one more location. So here I'll include proxy parameters. Proxy pass HTTP home pi projectme24 close that location also, and I'll write this file. So now I can close this. Now I'll have to link this file. So for that, I'm already in this. I'll write link, ln for link, etc Nginx sites available projectme24 etc Nginx site enabled. Now I don't know, so I just need to type Nginx T for testing. Okay, configuration is okay. Now we'll start Nginx system ctl start Nginx. Let me check localhost /8000. There is nothing. Localhost. Wow, Nginx. So Nginx is now available, which is cool. What about if I type 80? I will show the same thing, right? So now I have both the things running, up and running. My Unicorn server, which I had already tested, was running, and then my Nginx server. Wow, Nginx is directly throwing me in here. Cool. So if I write the server name, what happens here? Wow. Nice. So now we have configured Unicorn to translate client requests so that Django can handle them. And now after that we have set up Nginx as a reverse proxy to handle client connections and serve the current project depending on client requests. So congratulations guys, you've done it. You have both things ready in front of you, which is cool. Now you can create this web server to serve up your own website. So once Project Me 24 domain name gets propagated, this one, it will point to our own server, Nginx server first, and then from Nginx server we can handle the script request to Django under Unicorn server, which is cool again. So we'll wait for the domain name propagations. That will take some time. Let's check out.
Okay everybody, welcome to the last part of this tutorial, and now I can say that my domain name projectme24.com has been already propagated across the servers, and as you can see my Django project is live from my Raspberry Pi. Yes, my Django project is live from my Raspberry Pi device, that is a home server device, now web server device. But there's a glitch here that I need you to tell. My domain was already propagated since I was last checking, but the thing is that it was not redirecting to my Raspberry Pi because the ISP, the internet service provider that I am using, had blocked port number 80. So the port number 80 needs to be open from your ISP side. In my ISP case, it was GeoFiber and it was blocking it. So I have used a different internet connection for now, in which the port 80 was not blocked. So you guys need to check in from your ISP side whether your port 80 is opened or it is blocked. For dynamic DNS to work successfully, you need your port 80 to be unblocked. You need your port 80 to be free. So this was a tutorial. I hope you liked it, and I hope it is beneficial for you to build your own Raspberry Pi home server. I'm showing you some other snippets of unicorn.service that may be helpful for you in case your Python path is not in line or is in a different folder, or somehow you're facing issues. Mostly the issues would be faced in unicorn.service. Rest are quite an ease. It's a piece of cake, you can say. So guys, it was nice making the tutorial, and I hope you like it. Please consider to like, share and subscribe the channel if you like the video.